Imagine a colossal vessel, dwarfing even the largest cargo ships, its deck bustling with activity day and night. This is a factory fishing ship, a self-contained unit that embodies the industrialization of fishing. Unlike traditional fishing boats, these behemoths are equipped to catch, process, and freeze enormous quantities of fish, allowing them to stay at sea for months or even years at a time. These vessels are essentially floating factories, equipped with sophisticated technology to locate, capture, and process marine life on an unprecedented scale. Their arrival in a fishing ground marks a dramatic shift from traditional, sustainable fishing practices to an industrial approach that can have far-reaching consequences for marine ecosystems. The sheer size and efficiency of these vessels have revolutionized the fishing industry, allowing us to harvest seafood on a scale previously unimaginable. However, this efficiency comes at a cost, raising serious concerns about the sustainability of our oceans and the future of the fishing industry itself. Factory fishing ships are designed for one primary purpose: to maximize fishing efficiency. They are equipped with a vast array of fishing gear, including massive nets that can scoop up entire schools of fish, long lines that stretch for miles with thousands of baited hooks, and sophisticated sonar systems to locate fish with pinpoint accuracy. Once caught, the fish are immediately brought on board and processed in onboard factories. This typically involves sorting, gutting, cleaning, and flash freezing the catch, ensuring that the seafood is preserved at its peak freshness. This level of onboard processing eliminates the need for frequent trips back to shore, allowing factory ships to remain at sea for extended periods. This uninterrupted fishing cycle, combined with the sheer volume of fish they can catch, makes factory ships incredibly efficient. They can haul in thousands of tons of fish in a single expedition, supplying a significant portion of the global seafood demand. Advanced sonar systems can detect schools of fish miles away, even in deep waters, while GPS technology ensures precise navigation and tracking of fishing grounds. Onboard processing facilities are equally sophisticated. Automated filleting machines, massive freezers, and canning facilities ensure that the catch is processed quickly and efficiently. Some factory ships even have onboard laboratories to monitor fish quality and conduct research. These technological marvels have undoubtedly increased the efficiency and productivity of the fishing industry. However, this technological prowess has also enabled overfishing, pushing many fish populations to the brink of collapse. The sheer volume of fish they remove from the ocean disrupts food chains, depletes fish populations, and alters the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. Bycatch, the unintentional capture of non-target species, is a significant problem associated with factory fishing. Massive nets and long lines often catch and kill marine mammals, sea turtles, seabirds, and other marine life, indiscriminately removing them from the ecosystem. The heavy trawling gear used by some factory ships also damages the seabed, destroying coral reefs, sponge gardens, and other vital habitats. This destruction further disrupts marine ecosystems and reduces the ocean's ability to support life. The environmental impact of factory fishing has raised serious concerns about the sustainability of this practice. Overfishing, bycatch, and habitat destruction threaten the long-term health of our oceans and the livelihoods of those who depend on them. There is a growing movement towards sustainable fishing practices that prioritize the health of marine ecosystems and ensure the long-term viability of fish populations. This includes setting catch limits, reducing bycatch, and protecting vulnerable marine habitats. The future of our oceans depends on our ability to manage fishing practices responsibly. We must find a balance between meeting global seafood demand and protecting the health of our marine ecosystems. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe and share with others. And write your thoughts about this fascinating nature life in the comment column below.